Okay, so it's Sunday, November 24th. It's almost 12 o'clock and it's about -6 degrees Celsius out today. It's our first little taste of winter in Hamilton here. It's not much, yeah, but it's Hamilton, you know. And our F350 here needs glow plugs, so I thought I'd do a little smoky start for everybody. So just bear with me as I get her going. Sorry about the weird camera angle again. Had a little bit of trouble starting there, but as you can see, pretty smoky. It's not really running on all the cylinders because the glow plugs don't really ignite all the cylinders, but we're going to fix that soon so it won't give us any more trouble in the winter. But hope you all enjoyed our 99 F350 Smoky Start. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.